Hello guys, review OPPO A5 Pro, this version 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, open box and look completion. In completion we have protected case, very good, device in the green color, okay, and completion we have adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable, that's all. Okay, now talk about device. Double camera on the back side, 6.7-inch display on this side, power button and warm buttons, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card, Type-C port and device without headphones jack. Turn on, we have Color OS version 15 and we have Android 15. Okay, close this. Display 90 Hz. Open Geekbench 6 and talk about system information. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 1 octa-core. 5800 mAh battery we have. Okay, and look results: single core score, multi-core score and GPU test results. Okay, Antutu benchmark look. Okay, and open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works only on the low graphic level. On the low graphic level. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.